I have known Dr. Megan for quite a while, from personal background. And so I've been following her since she became a dentist. And I saw that she had a personal interest in kind of the functional aspect of oral health, focusing a lot on airway and TMJ and all of that. And that's something that I've struggled with my entire life. She has a talent for explaining things in a way that makes sense, and it makes things feel a lot more simple than you think that they are out of the gate. She just has a really good way of making you feel relaxed in the chair. I mean, I had no issues when I was putting my veneers on, my mouth being drilled for 6 hours, because hanging out with her was just fun. Even just from, if you're looking for a regular dentist to do your cleanings, I've had veneers with her, I've had braces, I've had all of the things, and there has never been one instance where I felt I was underserved or undertaken care of.